How to unarchive a conversation on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unarchive conversation on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone and click on archived conversation, and now this is your archived. All you need to do is keep clicking on the screen and click on unarchive. Go back, and all you need to do is if you want to go back and archive this conversation, is do the same steps, which is keep clicking and click on archive, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.